Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is October 6th, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking savage. I literally could not get onto TradingView, which I've been using pretty much every day for the past year without any issues, but Bitcoin literally crashed the site. Why? Let's get into it. All right. So here's our chart. And for those of you who joined the live stream yesterday night on Tuesday evening, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for your support. If you didn't join live and you watched it on the replay, I also appreciate that. Thanks so much. It's really nice getting to know you all and, just bantering with you guys and talking crypto, obviously, as we like to do. Now, back into the charts. Why did Bitcoin just break TradingView? Okay, it's that B wave. And if you were on the live stream or you watched the live stream, you'll know that I mentioned this almost exactly. I'm not going to be that YouTuber that goes and replays his old clips. Like, I could do that. It's, the live stream's like an hour and a half, but I literally said that Bitcoin was going to go to 54K in the morning and that everybody was going to say it's over, it's going to the moon, which it is, but not just yet. Okay, not just yet. Actually, it exceeded my expectations. I'll show you why. Okay, and Bitcoin right now is breaking rules. It's breaking rules. This is why technical analysis is probabilistic. Technical analysis cannot be used as if they're unbroken, like rules that can never be broken and violated at all, right? You have to be very careful, especially putting your capital on the line with these rules. They're more like guidelines, because once you get into the crypto space and you have assets like Bitcoin that are probably some of the most bullish assets ever, the rules go out the window. I'm going to show you why in a second. So I actually was in a short here at the top of the 5 wave. Most of you all will know this. I was in a short with Litecoin and I shorted this successfully, right? I took profit and I turned around and went into a long, right? Why? Because I know that every correction happens in an ABC phase, right? And the A wave is sort of counter to the trend, which was up, right? And the B wave is counter to that. And I know I love the B wave. Why? It's fast money. B wave is fast money. We're in crypto. We love fast money. The B wave runs in very short amount of time and very, very, very high, especially in very bullish assets. The B wave just runs. So this is a quick. So in this case, you're not going to get this every day, right? This is a quick 8%, 9% on leverage. That's what? If you 10x that, that's 80%. 20x that, that's 160%. Do the math, right? I did 115% this morning, literally just on that B wave with Litecoin, okay? And we know that the B wave runs. But usually the B wave in a bullish asset runs to the between the 1236 and the 1618 of the A wave. Okay, this is the A wave. And I'm going to show you Litecoin in a second, but it's Bitcoin's time to shine. So I'm going to stay on the Bitcoin chart. If you do the inverse 1618 of the A wave, right? And we're on the 15-minute chart because all of this is happening like now. So larger time frames be damned. You go to the 1618 of the A wave. Bitcoin should have topped out at 52.9. Okay, that should have been what we call in Elliott wave theory an expanded B wave or a running B wave in a running flat correction. However, Bitcoin went all the way up. It damn near went to 55.5. Okay, and why did I call 55.5? It's because last night on the live stream, I used this extended third wave to project the top of the fifth wave, and it went all the way to 54.55. But we all know that when you have an expanded third wave in an Elliott wave impulse, that the fifth wave is going to be truncated. The fifth wave is going to be short. Usually it's going to be around the length of the first wave. Okay. But because we didn't get that price action, I thought to myself, we may likely get it. We may likely get it during this B wave. And so that's why I said tomorrow morning, Bitcoin's gonna run up to like 54K. That's what I said on the live stream. And people are just gonna lose their minds, which they should. We're all jubilant. I mean, at least, anybody who's counting on the price to go up. But be careful, because this is not a good entry. Okay? It's not a good entry. Look at the anatomy of a correction, and we are still in a correction, people. Look at what we can see right now, real time. Do you see this? Does that look like something that's going to continue? Look at the stochastic RSI. Does that look like something that's going to continue, right? We're on the 15-minute time frame for those of you who don't like small time frames. Look at the stochastic RSI on the 45, on the 30, right? We look topped out, okay? It's going to correct a bit. And according to, and again, take this with a grain of salt, because you can't just plan trades based off of these rules. I don't care what book it's written in, how many times it's been back tested. Always respect the market for being chaotic, capricious, and doing what the hell it wants, okay? Make your trades based on all of the data you possibly can, all the theory you possibly can, but still leave space for inevitabilities, leave space for chaos, because that's what this is, or else it wouldn't be the market. Markets are inherently chaotic. Okay, so if we went all the way up, if this was the top of our B wave, okay, 55.5, and I'm on a Bitstamp chart, every chart's going to be a little different, so take that into account. We should go, the C wave should be 1618 of this running or expanded B wave. Okay, that's what the theory states. Okay, so we're going to take our Elliott wave, we're going to take our Fibonacci retracement tool, run it from the bottom to the top, because we're looking for a downside target. And you see, I put the C wave ending on the 1618, and that should give us a 47.5 entry, pretty much, okay? And this is confluent with, let's zoom out a bit, go on a larger time frame, 12-hour. You can see, if you use pattern analysis, Bitcoin has formed a descending wedge formation, and the breakout of that was on September or October 1st, right? Or September 30th. But literally October 1st, because it happened, I think, at midnight UTC or something crazy like that. How's that for conspiracy theories? So we went up, and what happens after a breakout? We retest. Where's a retest usually happen? Okay, so two things. One, retests usually happen on beds of support, okay? One, at the site of breakout, but you don't necessarily always get to the site of breakout if there's a bed of support, a strong bed of support above. We had done this Wyckoff accumulation, created a strong bed of support here at 48K, if you remember, if you'll recall, and you can see it in the price action over here. The second thing is price action, according to Elliott wave theory, likes to rest on the fourth wave dip, the fourth wave inflection. So you have this Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth wave dip is approximately at 47K. So I expect us to correct down to 47.5, 48 minimum, okay? And that's what the charts are showing. Again, look at the 12-hour chart. We're overbought. And so expect a correction, right? Bitcoin will go back and test the all-time highs, but not just yet. And that is why, if you appreciate this analysis, please like, share this video to everybody that you know that is investing in Bitcoin, investing in this market, and subscribe to this channel for more. All right, now let's go to my trade. Let's go to my Litecoin trade. And two things. First and foremost, look at my, I don't know, my short list, my, all these different coins. Everything's in the red except for very, very few assets, okay? There are some super outliers like Shiba Inu, that's kind of like doing its own thing, whale activity, whatever. And then there's, a little Doge. But look, Bitcoin's up 6% right now. What else is even close? Not even ETH. ETH is up, less than 1%. Litecoin's up almost 3.5%. Okay. Litecoin, that's been maligned, disparaged, shat on, and, called a shitcoin, is actually keeping up with Bitcoin during this explosive, like ridiculous time of price action. Keep that in mind. They're joined at the hip. So this is one of the reasons I'm currently trading Litecoin. I'm not trading Bitcoin, although Bitcoin would be perfect to trade, only because I want to be liquid. I want to be liquid in that I want to do my trades, my margin trades, in US dollars and use that as collateral, not necessarily Bitcoin. And the exchange I prefer to use at this moment in time, Phemex, only allows me to trade Bitcoin on margin using Bitcoin as collateral. Okay. And that's great and that's fine. But I can also trade Litecoin on margin and then just use USD as collateral. And, when I close my trades, I get the USD back. I just want to be liquid right now. So this is why I'm trading Litecoin and not Bitcoin. Second thing I want to show you is this. Why is it a great idea to choose and to trade Bitcoin? Where's my stuff? Oh, here it is. I think, no. Wow. TradingView's like all screwy right now. TradingView just went crazy. Okay, let's look it up. Okay, we're gonna look at Bitcoin dominance really quickly, and look at that. This is why Bitcoin is basically the asset of choice right now. And let's zoom out even more. I did this months and months and months ago. Those of you who subscribe to the channel will know that that's true because I've shown you this before. I haven't touched this in months, literally. But every correction happens in an ABC correction. Obviously, this is the market cap. It's not, price action. It's not an asset, but, you can see the same patterns and you see that we're in the B wave. What did I just say about the B wave? It's the most explosive. It happens the quickest. So expect this to go up here very quickly, which means Bitcoin is going to run very quickly within a short amount of time and create explosive price action and leave pretty much everything in the dust. I personally may even consider getting out of Litecoin and, trade Bitcoin, even if I'm not as liquid. But, that's something I have to think about because it's hard for me sometimes to wrap my mind around trading in sats when I'm margin trading, when I'm leverage trading. I'd rather think in USD because it's easier for me and I can make quicker and better decisions. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's Bitcoin, that's Litecoin, that's my trade. That's where I think things are going. Oh, by the way, let me just quickly say for those of you who are also interested in trading Litecoin, as I am, this is, well, let's go back into the 45-minute time frame. Where can you make an entry? So our B wave, I estimated it was going to be to the, I estimated that it was going to hit on this trend line here. I saw a trend right here. So I put it here and see it broke that trend. So this is where I took profit on my B wave for Litecoin, but it went all the way up to here to 180, which is fine. I thought that my analysis was pretty good enough. I got 115% on 20x leverage, which I'm happy with. Now, where is it going to correct? Same deal as Bitcoin. When you have a running flat or expanded flat correction, according to the rules, and again, these are just guidelines. Don't say Dean said and the book said that it should correct here, so I'm just going to set my limit order and wait and not even monitor it. No, that's not how you trade, because the market is chaotic. It can do whatever the hell it wants whenever it wants. Remember that. Respect the market. So what we're going to do is take the inverse of the expanded flat down to the 1618, and this is the entry. This is the projected entry, right? Projected. Anything can happen, but I expect Litecoin to come down to $153.75. That would be a great entry. I'm going to make another video right after this on how to make a precise entry, how to make precise entries for long or for longs, right? For when you want the price to go up and you're betting on the price to go up, how to buy low, how to buy at an inflection point. I'm going to make that video right after this. So if you like that, stay tuned. All right. I'll see you guys in a few. Bye.